So what I basically just did here is I just did a quick research here in terms of what are the biggest pain points for people that are trying to plan a wedding, right? Because that's what you want to dig into, right? That's the thing. You have to get the photographers to realize that some of the biggest problems that it comes to planning a wedding is, you have the budget that's a problem, clients that want everything to be perfect, also disagreements. Like these are all really great pain points to add within that email. So that's basically what you really, really want to focus on is the pain point benefits of having this as opposed to the features, right? So I would definitely remove all this and focus on just 3 pain points, right? Pain point 1, 2, and 3. And then in this particular case, I would actually probably just blur this out a little bit so you're giving another incentive to actually click. Because remember, the point of the email is to click. Right now, if I'm not a photographer actively looking for a solution, or not even a solution, because I don't even know what the problem is right now, right? So that's the thing is you have your target, you're going to identify the problem, right? And then you're going to basically go through the pain points with a call to action. And everything you should always try to stick with above the fold all the time. Which brings me to my last point, which is here, the banner, right? The branding banner. I am a big no-no of these branding banners because let's be honest, no one cares. Okay, no one really cares. You as a company care, but your users, there's no benefit to this. So yes, I understand as a company how you want to brand and you want to be transparent, but move this basically to the bottom of the email. That's it. You do not want to lose prime real estate to your brand. Okay, if you're not selling something in here, then get rid of it. Okay, so you want to move that headline to the top. You want to identify the problem for the photographer in this case. You want to put a couple of pain points and then your call to action, and that's it. I would revise that email to